Hi guys, welcome back to Ducky Garage. So today we're doing a garage update. So here we have a side mount garage opener for this small garage door. In 2020, we got this 4-post lift installed in my garage so I can park all my cars inside the garage. And my garage ceiling is not high, right? So to be able to open the door to clear the car, we need to, let me turn around and show it to you guys. Redo the rail to a high lift garage door rail. So the original garage door rail is like about this height. This is the original height for this big garage door, see? We gotta extend it another like a foot or foot and a half up. So we can open the door to clear the car without hitting the car, right? And at that time, I was planning to install a side mount garage door opener, but during COVID, everything's out of stock, and the price kind of ridiculous for an opener. The people quoted me like $900 for it, and right now I pick up the same one, Chamberlain one, for $400. And so it seemed relatively easy, I guess. In this box, there's no instruction, so I read online and stuff, and they actually have video online showing you, but not too detailed. But I saw a gentleman kind of do a video and give us a run through how to install this, and I'm gonna try it myself and see how it goes. Yeah, so stay tuned. So right now I'm gonna be drilling. I'm gonna use this 2-inch drill, cylinder drill, to drill a hole to run my my wire, and I have this nice little cap. I cap it up right on the wire, nicely cap it up. So instead of having a like open hole, I have a little cap and the wire just run through this little hole here. It's gonna look very nice and neat. Okay, so we drill a hole to the ceiling, so we can run the wire up the ceiling and to that junction box over there, because I don't want the wire to run on top of the ceiling. I want to go inside, so it can tuck nicely up the ceiling, not run across the ceiling here. So it's nice for the garage, because later on I can install a hex light around here. Can't wait! One step closer! Alright, let's go! Alright, now we're going to install this automatic lock safety thing, and they come with a template, so you can put a sticker on the rail to mark where you need to drill a lock. And this is where I'm going to drill with three wheel up. That's what they say, you know, this little wheel, you count it 3 up and you lock it right here. So this is the template I'm going to put, and this is where I'm going to drill. So I finally redo the wire for the sensor, for the door sensor, the automatic lock, the button to open the garage door. Now I'm connecting the light and the MyQ to link to our phone. So far, this is where we at. Almost done. Alright guys, I'm super excited. So we finally adjust the drum size and the travel for the door. So quiet, I love it. Alright, let's show it to you guys one more time. This thing is very quiet, very smooth and very quiet. You barely hear the sound. And the best thing, this thing automatic lock. So when the door come down, this automatic lock mechanism come out to stop the track, so you can't open up manually. And even if you disengage the rope, you pull it from the outside or whatever, you still can't lift the door, because this lock, unless you manually unlock it here. So there you have it, guys. So excited! I finally have my small garage door open up with I'm gonna link to the MyQ right now for my phone, so I can adjust it with my phone, so I don't have to go there. Every time I drive my car, I have to go to open the door manually anymore. This is the JR 0101 MC. Yeah, I really love it. So yeah, I also have a mic cue, so you can link with your phone and you can open it with your phone app or whatever. And it's very quiet mount with the automatic lock. Yeah, I love it. Very nice and smooth operate. Very quiet. Now I'm so tempted to change my middle one for the big garage to the side mount. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.